Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. In India, we perform puja with number of sacred items. It is believed that each of these has a spiritual meaning and importance. Camphor is one amongst all of those items. Camphor is a great antibacterial agent and purifies the environment of Vastu by destroying negative energies. But do you know that camphor can even make you rich, healthy, and successful? Vastu and astrology have also been told about its importance and use. Watch this video to know how camphor can bring in prosperity, health, and wealth in your life. First, get rich and healthy. Burn 2 to 3 camphor and 2 cloves daily before going to sleep. Continue this for a couple of weeks. This trick will make you rich, healthy, prosperous, and also help you get difficult works done easily in few days. Second, burning camphor pleases the gods. There is a belief that burning camphor at the time of sunset pleases gods. The devotees get blessed with virtue and prosperity. Third, camphor reduces excessive expenses. Burn 1 to 2 camphor and 2 cloves in a silver bowl in the kitchen after the evening meal. Do this every night after cleaning the kitchen to reduce expenses. Fourth, money, health, business problems. If you are continuously facing problems related to money, health, business, etc., then soak 1 to 2 camphor balls in cow ghee and light them in center of the house or office at morning and evening every day for a month. It will resolve all your problems slowly. Fifth, unlocking your destiny. Add 7 drops of camphor oil in normal water and have a bath with it on every Saturday before 9 am. Do this every week for good luck and healthy long life. Sixth, camphor helps you get richer. Take a rose and burn a cube of camphor in it. Thereafter, offer the flower in the feet of Goddess Durga. Doing this regularly for 43 days helps in gaining wealth. It can also be done during the Navratri. Seventh, reduces the chances of accidents. Burning camphor reduces the chances of unexpected deaths, especially those due to accidents. Chant the Hanuman Chalisa daily and burn some camphor after it. If this is not possible, burn it daily before going to bed. Doing so will save you from all sorts of accidents. 8th, remove Vastu Dosha. If none of your work is getting done, then you are probably suffering from Vastu Dosha. Keep 2 big camphor in your home. When they shrivel up, replace them with new ones. Doing so will slowly remove your Vastu Dosha. 9th, for marriage-related problems. If there are some problems in your marriage, then simply take 36 pieces of cloves and 6 pieces of camphor, 1 teaspoon rice and some turmeric, and offer this mixture to Goddess Durga. You will soon get married or your marriage-related issues will be solved. A remedy for Kalsarpa dosha or Pitra dosha. Burn camphor dipped in ghee 3 times a day in the house. It will pacify the planets responsible for Kalsarpa dosha and Pitra dosha and reduces the negative effects of planets. Moreover, keeping a cube of camphor in the bathroom will also prove beneficial. If you are suffering from Vastu dosha, keep 2 camphor balls in every room of your home. Doing so will slowly remove your Vastu dosha. If you often see nightmares, burning camphor might prove helpful for you. Keeping 2 pieces of camphor in the corner of the room is believed to harmonize the relations between couples. Camphor can be used in multiple ways. It is considered as an important ingredient in vapor rubs, balms, and ointments, as the camphor oil can reduce pain and itching. Besides, it is beneficial for the skin, hair, and health. Camphor can treat cold and cough. It works as an antioxidant, promotes hair growth, relieves gastric trouble, relieves pain and swelling, helps induce sleep, soothes burns, treats cracked heels and nail fungus, treats eczema and skin rashes. Every Saturday, pour some drops of camphor oil in water and have a bath with it. Do this every week. This will make your destiny shine and it will also protect you from a number of diseases. That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.